A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. Sister Asra had a question about Irab, right? I think, Sister Asra, are you here? So you asked me that the Irab are the Walaikum assalam. Right? So it says
Yes,
here,
yes.
you look at page number 30, Irab are the vowels, fatha, dhamma or kasra, etc. placed on the last letter of the word, noun or a verb. See, if you see the last letter, right? So last letter, if I say Ibrahimu, right? So the last letter, one second. Yeah, so last letter would be Ibrahim. If I say Ibrahimu, right? Then the last letter of the noun would be the Irab, right? So Ibrahimu, the Dhamma would be the Irab, and rest of them are the vowel. But for the pronouns, it says the first letter of the pronoun. It says, and the first letter of the pronoun. If it is hua, huma, hum, anta, antuma, antum, right? All those things, that becomes the Irab. Did you get it? So what you didn't understand in this? Is it clear with you?
Sister Samina, actually, I think the book you're following and the book what I'm following is a little bit different. That's why I send you a snapshot of what was written in our books here.
Are you following the blue book?
Yes.
Okay. So the blue book is the old version of this. I have the black book, the updated version.
Okay, so in that that is why I send you a snapshot, because in that it was saying that it includes even the pronouns in which the Arab includes even the pronoun, like the last letter of a noun, pronoun, and a verb.
Okay. I got it. Yeah.
So that is why I got
Jazakallah khairan for
misguided.
bringing this. Yeah. Jazakallah khairan. So please don't. I mean, it would be better if you follow this book, and we have shared the PDF of this updated version. You can find it on WhatsApp, or I can share it with you, inshallah. Again.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Okay. So any other questions, sister? Do you have any questions with the Marifa and the Nakira noun? Is it clear with everyone? What is Marifa? What is Nakira? Is it clear with everyone? Any questions? If I say Rasuluna, is it a Marifa or Nakira? Anybody want to answer this question? If I say Rasuluna, our messenger or our prophet, so what is it Marifa or Nakira? Or if I say Rabbuka, your Lord, is it Marifa or Nakira? Marifa, right? And if I say Qalamun or Baitun, what is that? What type of noun is it? Qalamun and Baitun. It's Nakira. Very good. MashaAllah. So any other thing? Any questions? Can we move to the next lesson, inshallah? Okay. So let's begin.
Assalamu alaikum, sister.
Yes, sister. Wa alaikum assalam.
This is Hajra. I'm joining from Chicago.
Okay, welcome to the class.
Alhamdulillah. So yeah, I just wanted to ask you the thing which you told you just now, Ma'rifa and Nakira, Rasuluna. So when the pronoun is attached to the noun, it becomes
Marifa.
Ma'rifa? Is that the thing?
Yes.
So, okay. So, and also if we just remove the attached pronoun and add al to Rasulun or Rasulu, it'll still be definite, right? Ma'rifa?
Yes.
All right. Alhamdulillah. Okay.
Jazakallah. You can watch the previous recordings. We have all the recordings, of these classes as well as the YouTube too. You can just watch it, or I can just go over let's go over what exactly Marifa and Nakira is. Marifa is a definite noun, right? Like we have Muhammadun, the name of the person, name of place, Qalamun, Shajarun, Baitun, right? It could be like, that is, I mean, marifa is definite and nakira is indefinite. Like if I say that particular house, you know, al baytu, that becomes marifa. If I just say baytun, it could be any house, a house, or any house. That is a nakira noun. And there are three ways which we can convert the marifa noun into a nakira noun. The indefinite noun can be converted to a definite noun. The nakira noun converted to a marifa noun. So if it is baytun, a house or any house, if you add just an al to it, it becomes a marifa noun. Al baytu, the house, that particular house. And the second step is if you add a pronoun to it, like if it was baytun, and a house or any house, but if you say his house, right, then it becomes a marifa noun. And it could be any pronouns. And the third type is you can convert the nakira noun rasulun plus the word Allahu. So if it is a nakira noun plus the marifa noun, then it becomes the marifa noun. Okay, rasulun is a messenger or a prophet, and Allahu, the word Allah, that's a marifa noun, right? And it becomes Rasulullahi, prophet of Allah, Baitullahi, house of Allah. So that becomes marifa noun. That's what I was asking the questions here.
Okay, so when we say Rasulullahi, so the entire thing is ma'rifa.
Marifa, yes.
All right, got it.
Like
Alhamdulillah.
Baitullahi is house of Allah. It's a definite noun, right? Because you're saying it's not any house, it's a house of Allah, right?
Yes.
Alhamdulillah.
Yes, Alhamdulillah. Jazakallah khair, sister.
Wayyakum. Okay. So any other questions? If you have any questions, let me know. If you don't have any questions, then we can move to the next chapter, inshallah. Is it clear, everyone? Marifa and nakira noun? Okay. So let's move to our lesson number 11. That is descriptive phrase, Sifah, al-Sifah wal Mausuf. Sifah Mausuf. Okay. Yeah. Sister Sufia, did you join again? Oh no, this is Safi. Okay. So yeah. Let's begin. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So yeah, a descriptive phrase is consists of a noun. You all can mute yourself if you're not talking. Jazakallahu khairan. So yeah, a descriptive phrase consists of a noun followed by an adjective. Okay, this noun in Arabic is called as Mausuf, which means that which is being described. And the adjective in Arabic is called Sifah, which means that which is describing the noun. And in a descriptive phrase, before going to that, let me explain in simple terms. Like Mausuf is the thing you describe, okay? The thing which is talked about. And Sifah is describing, right? For example, if I say tall man, right? If I say beautiful house, or if I say red car, right? So you have two nouns. Here, one noun is a noun that is being described. Like here in tall man, who is being described here? Who is being described in tall man?
Man,
right? And what is the description?
tall,
Right? Tall is the Sifah, and the thing that is being described is the Mausuf. Okay, so man is the Mausuf and tall is the Sifah. Okay, and if I say beautiful house, okay, so and then house is what is house? It's a Mausuf, and beautiful, it's a Sifah that is describing the house, right? If I say big house, right, house is a Mausuf and big is the Sifah. If I say red car, right, so I'm describing the car. How is the car? It's a red car, right? So car is a Mausuf and red is the Sifah. Is it clear, everyone, about Sifah Mausuf?
yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
so
ma'am.
let's see. Now, the descriptive phrase consists of a noun followed by an adjective. In Arabic, this noun is called as Mausuf, which means that which is being described, right? So if I say house, house is the one that is being described. And the adjective is the Sifah, right? It's called as Sifah, which means that which is being describing the noun, right? And in the descriptive phrase, Sifah Mausuf, the basic points to be noted is that it's important, please pay attention, that the adjective, the Sifah, adjective is the Sifah, this will be identical to the noun in gender. Okay, if the noun is masculine or feminine, then the adjective will be identical. Okay, for example, if I say Ajrun azimun. Okay, the meaning is great reward. Or if I say al-maw'izatu al-hasanatu, which means the good advice. So they're saying if in order for them to be Sifah Mausuf, they have to follow 4 conditions. Okay, what is the first one? The first one is the gender. Okay, and I've told you that in Arabic, any word in the Arabic is either a masculine or a feminine. And I've told you, for now, you just remember that if there is a tamar buta at the end, then that is a feminine word. Okay, and if there is no tamar buta, then it is a masculine word. Got it? So here, ajrun, azimun, they both are masculine here. Ajrun is the masculine word, and azimun is also masculine. The meaning is great reward. Okay, so what do you think is the mausuf and which is the sifa here? Ajrun azimun, a great reward. Who can tell me this?
Aj, Ajrun is Mausuf and Azimun is
Very good. Very good, very good, mashallah. So this is ajrun, this is mausuf, and azimun, this is the sifa, right? Because the sifa is describing the noun. And always remember here in Arabic, the mausuf comes first, and then you get the sifa. Okay? But when you're translating in English, you translate the sifa first, and then you translate the mausuf, a great reward. Okay? Ajrun azimun. Ajrun is the mausuf, azimun is the sifa, but you're translating a great reward. You're not saying reward great, right? You're saying a great reward. And here both are masculine. And here if you see al-maw'izatu al-hasanatu. Okay, so here if you can see, they both are feminine words. Why? Because they both end with a tamar buta. Al-maw'izatu and al-hasanatu, right? So they both are feminine words, right? So the first condition is satisfied. They both are feminine words. Al-maw'izatu, al-hasanatu, the good advice. Okay, hasana is the sifa here, and al-maw'izatu is the mausuf. The good, hasana is good, right? So this is sifa, and advice is the mausuf. This is the first condition for the sifa mausuf to be, for them to be sifa mausuf. Okay, and then we have next is we have the number. If the noun is singular or dual or plural, the adjective will be identical. Okay. For example, the first one was the gender. if the mausuf was masculine, the sifa will also be masculine. If the mausuf was feminine, the sifa will also be feminine. Okay. The next is number. Number in the sense, if the mausuf is singular, one, then the sifa will also be one. If the mausuf is dual, two persons, then the sifa will also be two people. And if the mausuf is plural, more than two, then the sifa will also be more than two. For example, we have Qur'anun Arabiyyun, an Arabic Quran. What do you think? Is it singular or plural? How many Qurans are there mentioned here? How many Qurans are mentioned?
One.
It's
Single.
singular. One Quran.
One.
Qur'anun Arabiyyun, and Arabic Quran, right? So which is the mausuf and which is the sifa here? Can someone guess it or tell me the answer? Which is the mausuf here, which is being described? You can type on the chat box or you can write it on your book.
Quran
Anything
is
you
the
want to
mausuf.
answer.
Mausuf is Quran.
Mashallah, mashallah, very good. Quran is the mausuf and Arabiyyun is the sifa,
Is the
right?
Sifah.
And Quran, you know, this is Quran. So this will be mausuf. And what type of Quran is this? This is Arabic Quran.
Arabic
So you are
Quran.
saying Sifa mausuf, Quranun Arabiyyun. And the number is, this is singular. It's one Quran. So it's Quranun Arabiyyun. Okay, the number is same. Then we have Rajulani Salihani. And inshallah, we are going to learn about this Muslimun chart, like if it is singular or plural, and how do you know if it is singular or plural? Inshallah, we'll be learning in our next lesson. For now, if it ends with ani, then it's a dual. Okay, just remember. If it ends with single dhamma or single kasra, then it is one. Okay, this is singular. If it ends with ani or aini, then this is a dual. If something ends with ani or aini, okay, then this is dual. And if something ends with una or ina, then it's a plural. Okay, in Arabic. Inshallah, we will learn in detail about this. For now, for your, you won't be understanding like why is it rajulani, salihani, right? So here, anything that ends with ani or aini is dual. Una and ina is the plural. And if it is just dhamma or kasra, then it is singular. So we have rajulani, salihani, right? And here rajul means a man. Rajulun is a man, right? And rajulani, two men, right? And salihani, what type of men were they? They were righteous men, right? So righteous is the sifa and men is the mausuf. So rajulani is the mausuf and salihani is the sifa. And notice that the mausuf comes first and then comes the sifa. Two righteous men. Rajulani, salihani. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Alhamdulillah. And then we have the plural. This was the singular and this was the dual. And next we have the plural. And the number is matching. If you see, it's not rajulun and salihani, or it's not rajulani and salihun. They both should match. Only then it is called as Sifah Mausuf. Only when they match in gender and they match in number. Okay. So we have rajulani, salihani, two righteous men. And we have ayatun, bayyinatun. And something that ends with una, ina, or atun and atin, that is the feminine. Okay. That is also the plural. So we have atun or we have the atin. Okay. So this is the Sifah Mausuf. This is for the plural. And here we have ayatun. It's ending with tun, atun. And then we have bayyinatun. Ayat means the signs. Okay. So this is Mausuf. And bayyinatun, how are the signs? They are clear signs. So this is the sifas, as clear is the sifa, and signs is Mausuf. And they are plural. Ayatun, bayyinatun. So now it is the number is matching. If it is Quranun, it's Arabiyyun. They both are singular. Rajulani, salihani. Two righteous men. They both are dual. Ayatun, bayyinatun. They both are plurals. Okay, so they're matching in gender here. And again, if you see Quranun, it is a masculine noun because there is no tamar buta at the end. And then Arabiyyun, this is also masculine. So they both are matching in gender and number. And rajulani, salihani. Rajul is a man. It's a masculine, right? And salihani is also masculine. So the both are matching in gender and number. And ayatun, bayyinatun, something that ends with a tamar buta or a ta, they are considered as feminine. They both are feminine words, right? Ayatun and bayyinatun, they both are feminine words and they both are plurals. Okay. Is it clear, everyone? Any questions?
It's easy to identify Mausuf Sifah because of the rhyming words in that.
Yes.
Normally it rhymes, no? The endings rhyme.
Yes, mashallah. And then we have type of noun. The third is the type of noun. If the noun is definite or indefinite. If it is, what is definite called in Arabic?
Marifa.
And what is indefinite called in Arabic?
Nakira.
Nakira, mashallah. So if the third one is the type of the noun. If the noun is definite, if it is marifa or if it is nakira, then the adjective, the sifa, will also be identical. If it is al-masjidu, al-haramu, the sacred mosque, which is the mausuf here?
Masjid, al-masjid.
Very good. Al-masjid is the mausuf and al-haram is the sifa, right? And what type of noun is al-masjidu? Marifa or nakira?
Is definite because of this
Very
al.
good. This is definite because it starts with an al. So
Al.
al-masjidu, al-haramu. They're like sisters, they are called like twin sisters in Arabic. I mean, we call it as twin sisters because they look pretty much the same, like al-masjidu, al-haramu, right? The sacred mosque. So they are al-masjidu. This is masculine. Al-haramu is also masculine. So they are matching in gender. And al-masjidu is singular and al-haramu is also singular. They are matching in number. And the third is the type of noun. Al-masjidu, al-haramu. They both are definite. They both are marifa noun, the sacred mosque. So they're matching in gender, they're matching in number, and they're matching in type of noun. Then we have kitabun mubinun. Okay. So what type of noun is this? Is it marifa or nakira?
Nakira.
Very good. It's a nakira noun, right? Very good, because it's kitabun, it ends with a tanwin, it's a book. Okay, and kitabun is the mausuf, right? That is being described. And mubinun is the sifa. right? What type of a book is it? It's an open book. So open is the Sifah and book is the Mausuf. You got it? Kitabun mubinun. And kitabun is singular or dual or plural?
Dual.
No,
Singular.
kitabun.
Singular.
Singular.
Kitabun is singular and mubinun is singular. So they both are matching in number and they both are matching in gender because kitabun is masculine, mubinun is also masculine. And kitabun is nakira noun, mubinun is the nakira noun. They both are matching in gender, they both are matching in number, they both are matching in the type of noun. Okay, so the third thing is also done. Let's move to the fourth type, that is the i'rab. Okay, if the noun ends with a fatha or kasra or dhamma or with a fatha tanween or kasra tanween or a dhamma tanween, the adjective, the sifa, will also be identical. For example, if I say minash shaitani ar-rajimi, right? Now you see that ash-shaitani is having a majroor. Why is it having a majroor? Why is it having a kasra? Sorry. Why is it having a
Because
kasra
of
here?
min.
Min.
Because of min.
What is min?
Harf jar.
Very good. This is huruf jar, right? The preposition, right? And this makes the noun after it majroor. And here, if you can see, ash-shaytani is having a kasra because of min, and ar-rajimi also takes a kasra.